So this is topic 2, lesson 1, and in this lesson we're going to be learning addition properties that are always true. Okay, so in the last lesson you were introduced to adding, but we're going to review a little bit first. So if Sarah has $4 and she finds $2, how many dollars does she have altogether? If you said 6, you're right. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So now we're going to learn some vocabulary that you'll need to know for this lesson. So first we have addends. And addends are the numbers you're adding together. And the sum is the answer when adding. So in the last problem, 4 and 2 were the addends, and 6 was the sum. So the first property we're going to be learning is the order property, which says that when you add two numbers, the sum is the same no matter what order the addends are in. So we're going to show that 5 plus 4 is the same as adding 4 plus 5. So first we're going to draw a number line, and we're going to move 5 spaces. And then we're going to move 4 more. So 5 and 4 are the addends, and 9 is the sum. And on another number line, we're going to move 4 spaces first, and then 5 spaces. So our addends are still 4 and 5, and the sum is still 9. So are the two problems equal? Yes, the sums are equal, so it doesn't matter what order the addends are in, because 5 plus 4 is still going to equal the same as 4 and 5. And the next property we're going to learn is called the zero property, which says that the sum of 0 and any number is that same number. So if I have 4 hats and no one gives me any more, how many hats do I have? I have 4, because 4 plus 0 equals 4. So the next property we're going to learn is called the grouping property, which says you can group addends in any way and the sum will still be the same. So in this problem, we want to add all the ice cream cones together, and they're split up like 4 and 2 and 5, and those are our addends. So you can start by grouping together 4 and 2, which equals 6, and adding 5, and your sum is going to be 11. And you can also group them together in a different order. So you could group together 2 and 5, which equals 7, and then add the 4, which still equals 11. So it doesn't matter what order the ice cream cones are grouped into, the sum is still going to be the same. So this is a review of what we just learned. The order property says that the sum is the same no matter what order we place the addends. So 7 plus 8 is going to equal the same sum as 8 plus 7. And the zero property says that any number plus 0 is that same number. So 4 plus 0 is still going to equal 4. And the grouping property says that you can group addends in any way and the sum will still be the same. So when adding all these numbers together, you can group together 5 and 2 and add 3, and it will still be the same sum as grouping together 3 and 5 and adding 2.